Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to reset your password when you are logged into your account. This is useful especially if you've received a password from us and you would like to change it. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click the profile icon in the top right corner and click Account from the menu. From here, scroll down to the bottom and find Change Password. Click the blue Edit button to the right and fill in the details. Enter the current password and your new password twice. Your password must be at least 6 characters, contain an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a special character, and a number. Once all of that is set, click the blue Update Password button. Your password is then updated successfully and you can use it the next time you log in. That's it for this video on how to change your password when you're already logged in. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.